Hey guys, Micron earnings. How do you play earnings? Well, you don't. The best thing to do is not to go long or short prior to earnings. The best thing to do is wait till after the earnings report and make your play then. Let me share my trading screen with you. Window, boom, and we'll get right into it. So let's go to MU. You can see that Micron hit an all-time high the 10 minutes into the day. The stock was up about 20%. It's since backed off, obviously, from 12.55 and got down to 11.36. So wise people don't play earnings, okay, period. You want to look at levels. You want to play after the earnings report if you want to play at all. So looking at the RSI, you can see that the market sold off after about 30 minutes, that magic 9 o'clock hour, that first 30 minutes of the trading day. And it's since come back a little bit. Let's go to the SPY and the S&P 500. You can see right here, RSI got all the way down to 11, wait a minute, 11, well, about 12.6 looks like. So massive overselling on the S&P 500, and that happened pretty much around the 9 o'clock hour, as I mentioned. We go over to the news and don't see much here as far as the news. But what happened is that when the S&P comes down, it's going to pull everything down. It even pulled Micron down. And so Micron, big stocks that's had a big run like Micron, you probably want to just wait on it. Let me pull it back up and let's look at the 3 or 6 month chart here. You can see on the 6 month chart, massive upward trend. It's basically tripled in the last 3 months. So memory chips are hot. I don't have to tell anybody that. So you got a high bar. It actually jumped over that high bar. Great earnings, great forward guidance. But right now, I would say it's got to get above today's high to continue. So I would wait, if it were me, either to buy shares or to go long on options and just kind of let that stock breathe. There's going to be a lot of folks taking some profits today, and they've already started doing that. I wouldn't short it, wouldn't be short, but as far as being long, I'd probably wait and let it settle just a little bit. Because speaking of RSI, let me move this window out of the way. You can see that it was overbought on 6/3 at 83.51, and it came down. And right now the RSI is about 62. Okay, so just give it a break and focus maybe on the overall market. Let's go back to the SPY. I did buy and went long right before I went to get a haircut, and you can see my arrow. I bought here because it got into oversold territory. Had no idea it was going to go way down here. If I had been here at my computer, I would have bought more of it. I'd have bought as much as I could have in this area. Okay. But because it went way down here and it's back up a little bit, I'm about break even. Looks like my trade was 398 and it's at 417. So I'm up a little bit. But what I'm looking for is I'd like to see this 821 on the 5 minute cross positive, this white line, which is the 8 EMA. I'd like to see that get up above the 21. And also you got the pre-market low here of 736.83. I'd like to get that back over there. Okay, so this 730.85 is going to be the previous day low. I believe that's right. But anyway, looking a little bit better. The market's looking a little bit better. Tesla, I did buy some Tesla. I went long on some calls on Tesla. I am down I think I got a 380 or 382. Let's see here. I've got a 380. Got a 380 call, and I paid 821, and it's 345. So I'm down 480 on that. So I need Tesla to catch a bid here and get back up above that 380 strike level. Not a lot going on today in the market. We had good PCE numbers. We had good GDP. But the big story today is Micron. And right now it's up $125. It's catching a little bit of a bid here. But it needs to get back over that 1255 for it to continue further. There's your resistance, 1255, and certainly intraday support is 1136. Hey guys, hope that helps. Take care.